Welcome to the latest Claude Code update. Version 2.1.239 brings significant improvements to our full-screen renderer, new tools for Python developers, and a host of stability fixes for cloud sessions. In this release, we are expanding full-screen support, adding a migration path for Python SDK users, and refining how cloud sessions handle plugins and usage data. We have expanded our full-screen renderer to more platforms, including Bedrock and Vertex. If you are a new user on these setups, you will now enjoy the flicker-free, mouse-supported interface by default. For Python developers, we have introduced a new migration command. Running /Claude API upgrade helps you transition your projects from the older Anthropic 0.x SDK to the modern 1.x version. Cloud sessions now handle synced plugins more intelligently. Plugins from Claude.ai are clearly marked with an @synced suffix and will never overwrite your local plugin installations. We have improved compatibility for Alpine and Muscle-based environments. Native features like image pasting and clipboard support now load correctly using the appropriate Muscle binaries. Finally, we have improved our usage limit notifications. When you hit your spend cap, you will now see exactly when your session or weekly limits are scheduled to reset. This release also includes dozens of stability fixes, ranging from proxy connection improvements to better memory management for web fetching. That covers the highlights for version 2.1.239. Check the official changelog for the full list of fixes, including improvements to proxy handling and session stability. Thanks for watching.